Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's lesson is about joint letters. So let's start. The basic instructions about this is in this lesson we will learn how the words are formed by joining alphabets. Have your students identify every alphabet in a word? So, in my last video, I have taught you how to pronounce those alphabets, and now today we are gonna read joint letters. So, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alif, Alif, Lam Alif, Lam Alif, Ba Alif. Now, in these last three letters, there are two alphabets in Lam, Alif, Lam and Alif. These two letters, two alphabets make a joint letter Lam Alif. In the next letter, same Lam Alif. In the next joint letter Ba Alif, there are two alphabets Ba and Alif. They jointly made Ba Alif. Ba Alif, Lam Alif, Lam, Lam Alif, Lam Ha, Lam Ha, Lam Alif, Ba Lam Ba, Kaf, Kaf, Kaf Ba, Kaf Ba, Kaf Alif, Kaf Alif, Ba Kaf Ta, Ta Kaf Tha. So, in these last two joint letters, there are three alphabets which are making a joint letter. Ba, Kaf and Ta. They jointly made Ba Kaf Ta. In the next joint letter, Ta Kaf Tha, Ba, Ta, Tha, Noon, Ya, Ba Alif, Noon Alif, Ta Alif, Ya Alif, Sa Alif, Ba Sin, Ya Sin, Noon Sin, Ta Sin, Tha Sin, Sa Jim, Ta Ha, Noon Kha, Ya Ha, Ba Jim, Ya Mim, Ba Mim, Noon Mim, Ta Mim. So, in those last letters, there are two letters which are making joint letters like Tamim, Samim, Ba Ya, Ya Ya, Noon Ya, Taya, Saya, Noon Ba Lam, Noon Ba Lam, Ta Noon Lam, Ta Noon Lam, Ba Ya Lam, Ba Ya Lam, Ya Ta Lam, Ya Ta Lam, Sa Sa Lam, Sa Sa Lam, Noon Ba Noon, Noon Ba Noon, Ba Noon Noon, Ba Noon Noon, Ta Ya Noon, Ta Ya Noon, Ya Ta Noon, Tha Tha Noon, Jim, Ha, Kha, Ha Tha, Kha Ba, Jim Ta, Ta Ha Ta, Ta Ha Ta, Ya Jim Ba, Ya Jim Ba, Ba Kha Ta, ta, ha, bata, yaha, taha, nunta, ha, ya, ha, ba, ha, alif, ba, ha, alif, ba, ha, mim, ba, ha, mim, dal, dal, jim, dal, kha, za, ra, za, jim, ra, kha, za, kha, za, ra, za, yara, taza, sin, sheen, sin, lam, sheen, lam, صاد ضاد طاء ظاء صاد باء طاء باء ضاد ألف ظاء ألف عين غين همزة عين زا عين زا غين را غين را صاد عين ضاد غين با عين دال با عين دال تا غا ذال تا غا ذال همزة ألف همزة واو همزة يا فا قاف واو قاف واو فا واو فا قاف لام فا قاف لام قاف فا لام قاف فا لام يافا يافا ميم ميم ح ميم حميم لام ميم لام ميم لام ميم. The next joint letter is ta mim ta mim ta mim, and next one is ta mim ta ta mim ta ta mim ta. So this was today's lesson. Inshallah we will meet in our next video. Jazakallah and Allah Hafiz.